Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with Sawyer at the beach here. We're going to be doing some flounder fishing. Right there is the Coast Guards. Yeah, I've heard this flounder here, and I'm going to try and catch a dogfish, just curious. I want to catch one. And we're in a two-person kayak today. And yeah, we're going to see what we can get. So first fish of the day for me, I just reel him in. That's a little tiddler. Oh yeah, he throated it too. It was a big one. It's probably like a pound. He's gonna have to be kept. I mean, he's a decent fish though. Still keeping size. You can get a lot of meat out of that. Well, gonna have to keep him. So I'll tell you guys when I have another fish. So right now, guys, got fish number 2 on. I think it's another flounder. The chances are it is. Oh yeah, this is small one. Oh, there we go. Let's bring it over here. Another nice one, like literally pretty much the same as the other one. Probably gonna have to keep this one too. Literally, they just swallow it so deep, you'll never ever get it out. Looks pretty deep in here. Not gonna get it out. Gonna have to keep this guy as well because the hook's so deep. Like even if you release him, he'd just die. So gonna like cut this guy up, gut him, and use the guts for maybe dogfish later or something. Yeah, tell you guys when I have another fish on. So I have something else on. I think it might be a crab actually, because he doesn't seem to be fighting like at all. He's pretty heavy as well. Yeah, it's a crab. Wow, it's a Dungeness and a male Dungeness. You can keep this, honestly. It looks like the same one Sawyer caught. This is gonna be difficult. I don't like these. There we go. And yeah, just gonna catch another one. Hey guys, just got a fish. We moved to a different spot on the other side, and I just got a micro flounder. It is literally so small. The hook is literally the size of his head. And he probably killed himself because it's through his head. Yeah, so a micro little flounder. I'm gonna release this guy straight up and drop our bait back in and see what we get. I just caught my first greenling. It took me a while. Sawyer's just like slaying them, catching tons. It's just a small one. Gonna release him. But beautiful fish. Like the colors in this thing. It's really nice. Look at this. It's got like golden colors. And there we go. That was a little bit quicker than I thought, but yeah. I'm gonna catch some more, just using a worm. Slaying them. Stay tuned. We're getting attacked by seals right now. Oh crap, crap. No. Ah! Oh, holy crap, there's like 4 billion seals right here. No, they're gonna chase us. Oh crap! Go, 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 go! No! There's so many seals! Oh! Oh! Oh, that was sketchy. Literally, all of that wood board right over there. I don't know if you guys can see. The whole wood platform thing was all seals. They're still chasing us. There's so many seals.
That one's burning. Look, you can see the gas below.
Okay, we're good now. That's a gee, that's a leopard seal. So we're gonna finish off the day with all of these greenling. There's 5. We're gonna catch and cook. We're gonna cook them at his house in about half an hour. Really nice, big fish. Like all of them. Greenlings are so delicious. And then we caught 3 flounder. 2 of them are mine. 1 of them is his. And yeah, we're gonna cook all these on the fire. And I'll see you then. So we have now arrived at Sawyer's house, and we're gonna be filleting these fish. Right now he's just washing them off. And then soon after, we're gonna fillet them and then cook them on a fire. before we cook the fish, we've decided that we're gonna put all of these guts and feed them to the chickens for like.
It'd be good protein for them. Make
Good
their
protein.
eggs better.
It'll also be funny.
Their chicken eggs will taste good like this. And yeah.